Hello everyone, my name is Pidi, and as Father's Day is approaching, I was thinking of making something sweet. So I'll be making chocolate coconut bites today. For that, it's pretty easy to make and kids can involve in making, as there's no bake, no stove, no gas. So it's pretty easy for ingredients we'll be needing. So we'll be needing 2 cups of coconut. And we need chocolate chips. I'll be taking milk chocolate. You can take dark chocolate if you want that. White chocolate, and around 5 tablespoons or half cup of coconut oil. We'll be needing some sweetener. So I'll be taking honey. You can use maple syrup or any other sweetener as you like. We'll be using some vanilla essence. So let's start making. So as it's nicely mixed now, I'll be putting this in a parchment paper. And we'll be setting this up. So we'll be putting it into these shapes. You can make it in circle shape or round shape. It's totally up to you, whatever you're looking for. I'll be refrigerating this around 1 to 2 hours and to harden this one, and then we'll be coating chocolate on that. It's been 1 or 2 hours now, so as you can see that it's all solid. And we're gonna cut it into pieces now. So it's all cut now, and you can make it. You can make your bar in this way. You can coat it with chocolate, or you can make it square. So I'll be doing squares. So now we are gonna coat this up into chocolate. And just make sure that it's all well coated. Once we are done with all the pieces, we'll be putting this into refrigerator for around, let's say, 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, our coating is now all done. So you can drizzle some coconut, and also you can try to do whatever. You can sprinkle some sprinklers, like colorful sprinkles if the kids like, or you can do it with the coconut. So I'll be keeping this all in refrigerator for, let's say, around 30 to 40 minutes. So it's been now 30 minutes. Our chocolates are ready for plating. So I was just doing all the plating. See, it's all nicely coated up. So it's all done, guys. So happy Father's Day to all the wonderful dads out there, and I'm gonna taste it now. I hope my husband will like it. It's really good, guys. The coconut, the chocolate, it's really good. So once again, happy Father's Day, and try to make my recipe and enjoy your day. And please subscribe to my channel, which is Kriti Kamra, and see you soon.